The P0443 code indicates a malfunction in your vehicle's EVAP system, specifically within the canister purge valve circuit. This valve controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine for burning. A fault in this circuit can lead to increased emissions, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential drivability issues. Modern scan tools enhance diagnostics with real-time circuit testing and AI-driven pressure simulations to pinpoint faults more accurately. The EVAP system's primary job is to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It captures these vapors in a charcoal canister. The purge valve, typically solenoid-operated, regulates when these stored vapors are drawn into the engine to be burned during normal operation. The ECM detects improper voltage or resistance if the purge valve is malfunctioning. Several factors can trigger the P0443 code. Wiring and connector issues, such as corrosion or damage, are frequent culprits, accounting for about 40% of cases. A faulty purge valve, either stuck open or closed, is also common, making up 30% of cases. Less frequently, ECM-PCM failures account for 15% of cases. Vacuum leaks and sensor problems cause 10% of cases. Environmental factors like moisture or rodent damage can also play a role. The most common symptom of a P0443 code is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. This warning indicator alerts you the vehicle's computer has detected a problem. You might also experience a rough idle, where the engine runs unevenly at low speeds, causing vibrations or hesitation. Poor fuel economy is another symptom, meaning you'll need to refuel more frequently as the vehicle consumes more fuel than usual. The code can cause your vehicle to fail an emissions test, as it indicates a problem with the evaporative emissions system. A noticeable fuel odor inside or outside the vehicle may be present due to escaping fuel vapors from the malfunctioning system. In some cases, there might be no noticeable drivability issues, but the code will still trigger an inspection failure during vehicle testing. Promptly addressing these symptoms can prevent further damage and maintain optimal vehicle performance. To diagnose the P0443 code, start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code is present. Next, check for any related trouble codes, such as P0441 or P0455, which can provide additional diagnostic information. Visually inspect the wiring harness and connectors for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Use a multimeter to check the purge valve's resistance, which should typically be between 22 and 30 ohms when tested. Finally, employ a smoke machine to detect any vacuum leaks in the EVAP system that could contribute to the issue. Simple fixes like cleaning or replacing the purge valve can often be done as a DIY project. For these basic repairs, you'll need basic tools and can follow online guides. However, more complex issues like wiring repairs or ECM software updates require professional expertise and specialized equipment. Clearing the diagnostic code without addressing the root cause will likely lead to its recurrence as the underlying problem persists. DIY repairs typically take 1 to 2 hours, while professional repairs generally cost between $100 and $500, depending on the specific issue and vehicle model. Ford F-150 models from 2010 to 2015 often experience the P0443 code due to wiring exposed to moisture under the vehicle. The solution involves repairing or replacing the wiring harness to prevent corrosion. Toyota Camry models from 2002 to 2007 have been known to have design flaws in the valve solenoid, leading to the P0443 code. The recommended fix is to replace the purge valve solenoid. General Motors Cruise models from 2011 to 2015 have cases linked to emissions fraud, where the P0443 code requires software recalibrations. The solution involves updating the ECM software and thoroughly inspecting the EVAP system. These examples highlight the need for model-specific solutions when addressing the P0443 code. As electric vehicle adoption continues to grow, the P0443 code will become significantly less prevalent since EVs lack traditional fuel systems. Market forecasts predict EV market share could reach 50% in major markets by 2030, reducing the overall incidence of EVAP-related issues. For internal combustion engine vehicles that remain, expect advancements in EVAP components. Purge valves will become smarter with built-in self-diagnostic capabilities, while telematic systems will enable predictive maintenance to catch issues before they trigger codes. Stricter global emissions targets, such as the upcoming EPA Phase 3 regulations and China's new standards, may mandate annual EVAP system inspections. This will drive demand for more reliable diagnostic tools and proactive maintenance to ensure compliance. Artificial intelligence integration in automotive diagnostics could revolutionize EVAP system troubleshooting. AI systems may automate the identification and fixing of issues, potentially reducing repair times by 30% through predictive algorithms and smart recommendations. Hybrid and mild hybrid vehicles, while more efficient, may still encounter P0443 and related EVAP codes. This can occur due to interactions between the battery management system and traditional fuel components, requiring specialized diagnostic approaches.